good evening. A decisive risk-on session, but make no mistake, this was a stock picker's market, not a broad risk rally. The Nasdaq surged 1.5% to 26,541, while the Dow lagged badly, up just 0.2%. The message is crystal clear. Software and semis are the new leadership, and defensives are getting sold to fund the rotation. The catalyst was Salesforce. A 22% pop on strong earnings didn't just lift tech, it validated the AI monetization narrative that's been driving this tape. It dragged ServiceNow up 10% and helped Nvidia gain nearly 9%. The losers tell the story of the rotation. GE Aerospace, McDonald's, Costco, and Home Depot all fell, victims of profit-taking as capital rotated violently out of defensives and into growth. In metals, silver and palladium are the signals. Silver jumped 2% to $70.18, palladium climbed 2.5%. This is an industrial demand story, not just a precious metal bid, and it confirms a global manufacturing uptick. Gold is quiet, up 0.1% to 65.58, just consolidating below resistance while real yields stay steady. Crypto is building momentum. Bitcoin is knocking on 80,000, up 2%. It needs a daily close above that level to trigger the next leg higher. Then the real test waits at the psychological 85,000 handle. Ethereum remains the laggard, up 1.4% to 2508, still range-bound. Watch for the Fed narrative Friday, Kevin Warsh's Jackson Hole speech. The market is pricing an optimistic outcome, but the hawkish comments from Hammock suggest a risk of a cold shower. The setup to watch: short-term Treasury yields versus Bitcoin's reaction to a hawkish break. If tech sells off on the speech, Bitcoin will face its first real momentum test. Brace for a bit more volatility into the close. Markets move fast. We break it down daily so you don't have to. Subscribe for your edge, delivered fresh every session.